I have no money left for rent this month.
Do not worry, Alex. We can find a solution together.
The landlord called me 3 times this morning. I don't know what to do.
Look at this. I found a new delivery app on the internet.
A delivery app? What kind of app is it?
It is a fast courier service for VIP clients in the city.
Wow. They pay $200 for just one delivery.
Yes, but the app says you must follow the rules exactly.
Huh. What are the rules?
You must pick up the package instantly. And you must not open it.
I do not care about the rules. I need that money right now.
Are you sure this is safe, Alex? It looks too easy.
I have no choice, Daniel. My sister needs her school books too. Please start today, little scooter. Good! Now I can accept the first job on the app. The address is near the old train station. Let's go. Hello? Is anyone here? I am the courier driver. Oh, it is just a cat. This place is too scary.
You are late, young man. Time is money.
I am sorry, sir. The traffic near the station was very bad.
Take this. You must deliver it to the big hotel on Main Street.
Wow, this is very heavy. What is inside it?
Remember the app rules. Do not ask questions.
Yes, sir. I understand. No questions.
Here is your cash advance. Do your job well, and you get more.
Thank you, sir. This helps me a lot. This is a lot of money for a simple delivery. Why is it locked so tightly? No, Alex. Do not think about it. Just drive to the hotel. I can pay my rent tonight. Everything is going to be fine. I must drive very carefully. I cannot make a mistake. Why am I so afraid? I am just a simple delivery driver.
Hey, Alex. What are you doing out here?
Oh. Hi, Maya. I am working right now.
What is that heavy silver box on your scooter?
It is just a special package for a client.
It looks very strange and expensive, Alex. Please be careful.
The light is green. I must go now, Maya. See you later. Wow, this hotel is beautiful. The client must be very rich. Good evening, sir. I just need to make a quick delivery inside.
The reception desk is straight ahead, young man. Move quickly.
Everyone here is wearing very fancy clothes. I do not belong here. Okay, the app says, go to room 404 on the 4th floor. I can finish this job in 5 minutes. Then I can go home. Hello, Daniel. I am inside the hotel elevator right now.
Alex, you need to drop that briefcase and leave that place immediately.
What? Why are you shouting? I am almost at the client's room.
I did more research on that delivery app. It is a fake app used by a dangerous criminal group.
Are you sure, Daniel? What is inside this heavy briefcase?
I don't know, but the news says the police are tracking that exact package right now.
Oh no, oh no! What did I do? This is an accidental crime. If the police catch me with this box, I will go to jail for a long time. The police are already outside the doors. They are coming upstairs for me. I cannot knock on this door. It is too dangerous. Oh no. Please, no.
You are finally here. Give me the silver box right now.
No, sir. I cannot give you this package.
What did you say to me, boy? This is my package.
The police are outside the hotel right now. They know about your app.
You stupid kid. You brought the police to my hotel room.
I must find a way out. I cannot go to jail. Someone is following me down the stairs.
Stop right there. Who are you? You do not work here.
Please, please help me. I am in a lot of trouble.
Why are you carrying that expensive silver box in the basement?
I am just a simple student. I needed money for my rent and my sister's books.
Is there something illegal inside that box?
I swear I do not know. A bad man gave it to me on an app. Now the police are upstairs.
I do not like the police, and you look innocent. Give me the box. Hide the silver box deep under these towels.
Police. Nobody move. Stay exactly where you are.
Good evening, officers. Is there a problem in the hotel?
We are looking for a courier driver with a yellow scooter and a silver briefcase. Did he come through here?
Yes, sir. A young man with a black helmet just ran through that back door into the dark alleyway.
He is trying to escape outside. Let's go! Move! Move!
Thank goodness. They are gone.
They went to the back alley. But they will come back soon.
You saved me, Sophie. Thank you so much.
Look at the lock, Alex. It is broken from your fall. Oh, my luxury. These are the stolen jewels from the City Museum.
The bad man in the alley used me to carry stolen police evidence.
You cannot keep this box, Alex. You must give it to the real police station. Wear these clothes. The police are watching the front doors for a delivery driver.
This is a smart plan. They will think I work here.
Put this bag into the big laundry cart. You can push it outside to the street.
Please do not look at me. Please do not stop me. Good evening, officer. Excuse me, I need to take the dirty sheets to the delivery truck.
Okay, go ahead. Keep the doors clear, young man.
I do not want this dirty money. It belongs to a crime. I will pay my rent with honest work. I am going to do the right thing now.
The morning news says the police found the stolen museum jewels inside their anonymous Dropbox last night.
Yes, I left the bag at the police gate and ran away. I am safe now. I still have no money for my rent, but my hands are clean.
Do not worry, my friend. We can visit the local stores today and find you a real job together.